Breaking news. 8 July 2026. Ukraine has reportedly expanded its campaign against Russian maritime logistics, with new strikes said to target vessels linked to Russia's so-called Shadow Fleet. The developments have renewed attention on supply routes supporting Crimea. According to public reports, the Shadow Fleet refers to a network of tankers that has been used to transport Russian oil despite international sanctions. Some of these routes also support logistics in the Black Sea region. Military analysts say that pressure on maritime transport could complicate the movement of fuel, equipment, and other supplies, although the full operational impact remains unclear. Crimea continues to serve as a major military hub for Russian operations in the Black Sea. Defense experts say sea lanes and ports remain strategic for sustaining operations. Both sides have increasingly used long-range drones to target high-value infrastructure. Energy facilities, ports, and logistics networks have all been repeatedly targeted during the conflict. As the situation continues to evolve, the full extent of the reported strikes and their effects will depend on further confirmation from official sources and independent analysis.
The situation is still developing, and we'll continue monitoring every new update as more information becomes available. Around the world, military movements and geopolitical tensions can change rapidly, and we'll bring you the latest verified developments as they happen. If you found this report helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next breaking military update. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next report.